Hello, it's Miss Flowers here in Miss Flowers Patio Garden and Lore, and I am plotting and planning what I'm going to do in the garden a little bit later today. So I have here a sheet that I had created with a plan, but honey, that's a bunch of chicken scratch, and it cannot stay in my nice journal. Is anybody else like that, where if you get too many scratches and too much disorder, you feel like you need to start over? Yeah, I'm kind of that way. So basically, I was kind of mapping out what I want to do with my green stalk that I just got. The plan for now is to make sure that everything is planted on one side so that my dad doesn't have to turn the planter around towards the sun for the sun to reach the other side of the plants, because I'm not there during the day. I'm at home at work. And because he is the coordinator, a la Fred Sanford, he is not trying to do all that. And did I mention that my dad is pretty much nearly 80 years old? He'll be 80 in August. So we will not have him doing that. I'm going to be planning kind of like on one side for now until something changes, honey. So for now, I have decided that I'm going to, and I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I'll show you in the end. You just watch what you can. If you don't mind, I surely do appreciate it. I'm gonna do okra, those starts that I have, and my two little bean starts. I'm gonna plant those on the bottom because they're more likely to spread, and I don't want them to be planted on the top and end up creating shadow over the other vegetables that are below it. So we're gonna plant those on the bottom. The next level, because I'm thinking I'm only gonna put up three levels for now. I don't think I'm gonna set up. I have the 5-level original one. I think I'm just gonna do 3 for now. That's the beauty in this. You don't have to set up all 5 of them. You can set up whatever you want. So I'm just gonna set up 3 levels. So on the bottom level, as I said, okra starts, 2 places for that, and 2 places for some bean starts, and hopefully that'll just be one side. I don't know. We'll see, honey. One of these might not make it. They may end up going into a different container. That next level, I'm thinking I'm going to do the Swiss chard, and that's when they're ready. They're still a little too little to transfer now. I'm going to do, it's going to be 2 pockets of Swiss chard. I think there's 6 pockets. We will see. The radishes, two pockets of radish, a pocket of basil, that sweet basil that I have, and then I'm gonna plant another herb of some sort. I think I have some dill. Y'all remember? I don't know if I've showed y'all that or not. We'll go through all my seed packets. I think that's something we can do as another video. And then on that 3rd level, because as I said, we're only doing 3 levels, I'm going to do the marigolds. I'm going to put marigolds all over the top. And those are going to be from seed. We'll see what happens. Remember my theory, all of this is just experimentation or folly for fools, however you want to put it. So that's the plan for now. And tonight, after I get off work and do everything I need to do, I'm gonna go and map it out a little more, and I'm gonna show you all that. So here's what it looks like in my journal. You know what? No point in trying to show you that. Anyway, that's the plan. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Take care. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm new to this, honey.